Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to create new Instagram business page. So let's get started. So the very first thing that we have to do is of course to open our Instagram. So since we're going to make a new business page, so let's assume that you are new into Instagram. So the initial step that you have to do is to of course to make a new account. So after creating, let's just assume that I've created already an account. So now let's just say that I've already created an account and this is how it is. So what are you gonna do to make a new business page? Then just go to your profile, this one. Then after clicking that, you will be directed here on your feed. So the next thing that you have to do is to click this menu icon. And you just have to go and look for account type and tools. So let's just go on. If ever it happens that you are having hard time just like this and looking for account type and tools, which is this one, you can actually just go on this search here. So just have to type account. So it's taking a while. So in here, you just have to go and click account type and tools, this one. So after that, we have this option to switch to professional account, because the next thing that we're going to add later on if it's a business page. So in this part, it's going to ask you if what best describes you. So let's just look for what suits our page. So let's say that it is a restaurant, so it's a business restaurant. So you can display it on your profile, and you can also choose not to if you don't want. But since it's a business and we wanted everyone to see what our page is or what it is about, then you are free to toggle this one on. After that, just click switch to professional account. And here on this part, if you are a retailer, local business, a brand organization, or service provider, then you can click on business. And for this tutorial, we're going to make a business page. So this is what we're going to click. So just go on and click next. And in this part, it will ask for your business email so that your customers or your prospects will be able to connect you through it. So you can have a business email and also a phone number, and much better if you're going to add your business address as well as your Instagram audio calling. And it is much perfect if you're going to display your contact info so that you will be accessed easily, or they will be able to reach to you easily. So let's just go on, click on next if you're already satisfied in there. And you can also connect to Facebook if you wanted to reach more audience, so that your posts on Instagram will be posted also in Facebook if you choose to. But let's just skip that for now, and it will ask you to set up your professional account further, which you can also do later on. But if you really wanted to, then you can also work with that immediately. So that's it. That's just how you do a new Instagram business page. And I hope this video helped you. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram content. Please hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. And until next time, please do take care, and I'll see you in the next one.